Presentation of Speech Work 8.2 Unit 7
Speak right.
Consonant contrast sh and ch. This lesson focuses on two consonants, sh and ch. We'll talk about them and contrast them. Sh is a sound made by S and H put together. It sounds like when you're asking someone to shut up. Shh. It's a fricative sound. It's called a fricative sound because the sound is produced by causing a friction over the tongue. Ch is a sound made by C and H put together. It sounds like when a choo-choo train is chugging on the rail. Ch, ch, ch. It's called an affricative sound because the friction is cut short by the sound t at the beginning. Shh, ch, shh, ch, shh, ch. Let us look at some contrasting word examples. Shoe, chew, shop, chop, ship, chip. Now, let us say this sentence with both sounds. Don't chew the shoe with a cheap chip. Ship it to the ship in the shop. Can you spot the words with the sh and ch sounds in the sentence? I'm your speech coach, Chris Nkwacha. Own it, use it. Speak the English the world understands.